So welcome back again. So today we'll be writing our first Python app. So here we'll be using our existing whatever we have learned till now and up until now, and we'll be building Python app. So what we'll be building? So let's say we'll ask a user about his age, and then we will find how many days old he is. Okay, so how can we do that? So let's say user age is equal to input and how old are you, and then now what we have to say is we need to convert this user age to a number. Let's say user age num equal to int and user age, and now we can say days old is equal to, so it is very simple. Let's say we have 12 months in a year and we have 365 days in a year, and then the user is user num age, user age num. So and then we can say print you are, and we can use f string here, and days old, we can say this. So if we run this code and let's say I am 25 years old, and it says I am, but what is this? I don't understand, right? We need to restate days old. Let's format this way and let's run again, and let's say I am 25 years old, and it says you are 109500 days old. And if we want to find months old, we can also say, let's say print, and let's say months old. We can change this, let's say this is months old, and you can simply remove this 365 and I can say months old. So let's run this code. So it will ask me how old am I. So I'm 25 years old, and it says I am this much days old and I'm 300 months old. So this is it from this section. See you again in another section.